The Stowaway Steps 3-step wide is built using 11 parts, 2 side panels, 4 standard face panels used for the back side and lower front face, 2 upper front face panels identified by the slots used to support the steps, 1 treaded top step, and 2 treaded lower steps identified by their support tabs. Begin with one of the large side panels with the handle towards the top and insert the tab from one standard face panel into the lower slot on the back of the side panel. This will allow it to stand freely. Now attach 2 additional standard face panels in each of the slots, moving upward to complete the back side. Select one of the 2 upper front face panels with slots for tread supports and insert the tab into one of the 2 upper slots in the side panel. Repeat with the second upper front facing panel. Use the remaining standard face panel in the lower slot. Note that the feet match the feet on the side panels. Next, take the second side panel and align the slots with the tabs on the assembled pieces. We usually start at the bottom and work our way up and forward, ensuring that each tab inserts and slides down to lock. Next, take one of the lower treaded steps noted by the 2 tabs. Lift the front face and insert the 2 tabs into the matching slots. Then the face and the step will slide and lock into place. Repeat with the second step, lifting the face, inserting the tabs, and pressing the face and step down and locking into place. The final untabbed treaded step locks into place on the top step. Always ensure that all pieces lock securely into place. When moving the steps, lift using the convenient handles. Attempting to lift using the treaded steps will remove the step platform, so always use the handles to move the step.